Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we break down real products to help you decide what's worth your time and money. Today, we're taking a closer look at the EVEO Screen Cleaner Spray. A streak-free cleaning kit designed for TVs, laptops, monitors, tablets, phones, and pretty much any screen you can think of. Before we start wiping things down, let's talk about what this kit actually includes. Inside the box, you get a bottle of EVEO's cleaning spray and their signature plush microfiber cloth. The cloth is surprisingly soft, thicker than standard microfiber, and designed specifically to avoid scratching or leaving behind tiny fibers. The bottle arrives sealed, and you simply screw on the sprayer to get it ready. EVEO claims this spray is safe for all screen types. That includes LCD, LED, CRT, and OLED screens, plus devices from major brands like Samsung, LG, Sony, Apple, and more. The idea is to give you a universal cleaner that won't damage sensitive coatings, won't leave streaks, and won't cause buildup over time. Let's put it to the test. I'm starting with this TV that's been collecting fingerprints and dust for weeks. Instead of spraying directly onto the screen, which is generally not recommended, EVEO suggests spraying onto the microfiber cloth first. A couple of pumps, and we're good to go. The cloth glides over the surface smoothly, and the spray evaporates quickly. What stands out immediately is how evenly it clears smudges without leaving behind haze or streaks. Even tough fingerprints break down fast, and there's no strong chemical smell. Next, we move to a laptop screen. This is where many cleaners fail, especially on matte surfaces, but EVEO's formula keeps the screen looking sharp with no residue. On a phone screen, the spray removes oily smudges in seconds, and the microfiber cloth absorbs everything cleanly. Tables and e-readers show the same result, a smooth, streak-free finish. The real advantage of this kit is convenience. The spray bottle is small enough to carry in a bag, the cloth folds compactly, and the whole cleaning process takes only a few seconds per device. For anyone who uses multiple screens daily, this becomes a quick, reliable routine. Another detail worth mentioning is the cloth. It's not just soft, it's plush enough to trap dust and dirt so you're not dragging particles across your screen. After cleaning multiple devices, I didn't see any fiber shedding or smearing, which is a big plus. So who is this product for? Honestly, anyone with screens, whether you're dealing with kids' fingerprints on a TV, dust on a monitor, or grease on a phone. It's gentle enough for sensitive displays and strong enough to handle stubborn smudges. EVEO markets this as a complete screen care kit, and for everyday use, it definitely lives up to that purpose. To wrap things up, the EVEO Screen Cleaner Spray offers a simple but reliable solution for keeping your screen spotless. It's easy to use, safe on all major screen types, portable, and consistently streak-free. If you're looking for a no-nonsense cleaning kit that actually performs, this one is worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more product breakdowns. And let me know in the comments what you want reviewed next. See you in the next video.